Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Now today I have come on a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will create a visiting card in Adobe Illustrator. So that any forget, let's get started. At first go to the Illustrator tool. After that click the file and new. First of all width 3.5 inch and height 2.1 inch. You have to choose belgharia as you wish. You can take or not the blade area. And okay, resolution height 300 ppi and color mode CMYK. Then okay, control minus, click the rectangle tool, close the stroke color, then you can choose fill color as you like. Click the gradient color, double click on the gradient color. After that option is opening, click here and now you can choose radial. Double click on this side, you can manage like this. You can manage like this. And after that click the selection tool. Now you can click on the rectangle tool and then you can select polygon tool. Press the left key on the mouse, holding on the left key on the mouse and click polygon tool. Now alt plus shift and drag for making this part. Double click or single click of the object and you can choose 3, 4, 5 as you wish. I've choose 3 only, size 3 only. Now click on the selection tool, you can choose the color as you like. Now click on the direction tool and drag like this, holding the anchor and like this. Now click on the selection tool, control minus, alt plus C for increasing the object. You can manage cursor key left side on the keyboard. Go to the rectangle tool, select like this, click on the selection tool, cursor key press on the keyboard left side, choose the color, and then see holding on the shift press and click this object. Both object is select, then go to the window. After that, click on the pathfinder, and now click here. Select the object, click of the both object with shift press and click here. Now you can select the rectangle tool, click on the rectangle tool and drag like this, click on the selection tool, holding on the shift press and click this object, cut, click here for cutting. Control plus. Click on the pen tool, click here and drag the mouse and click here. Go to the selection tool, you can choose stroke color, increasing stroke color, then you can choose stroke color. Go to the rectangle tool and select the ellipse tool, Alt plus shift and drag like this, close the stroke color like this and choose fill color. Selection tool, Control plus, or press on the keyboard and drag. Control Command D, holding on the shift press and click the object like this. Control Command G for group. Control minus, you can click the text tool, click here, right click and ungroup this object, click the object and delete. Control plus, you can click on the stroke, you can move left side on the keyboard, press. Now you can manage the text. down key, cursor key on the keyboard, select the all object, holding on the shift press and click on the object, control command G, down cursor press, seven, take side only 7, or 8 as you wish. You can manage the object according to the text. Choose the color and select the text and drag left side press on the keyboard, right side key press on the cursor key. You can manage like this. After that, control minus. Now go to the text tool and click here like this. Select the selection tool, click on the selection tool, and then you can increasing the name size 14. 14 is the base for creating visiting card. And now click here, click the text tool, enter, control command A, but select the text as you wish. Left key press and select the text. You can choose 8. Click on the text tool, select the text. You can choose the color. Now select this text. You can bold for the text. Now select the color, select the text and choose the color as you wish. Now click on the rectangle tool. After that, Alt plus Shift, and now closing the object, Alt plus Shift holding on the keyboard and drag and moving around like this. Click the direct selection tool and drag. Click on the selection tool. Now choose the color as you like. Holding on the shift press and select this object and click here. Go to the text tool You can type J as you like, Alt plus Shift for, and drag like this. You can manage, choose the color. You can choose the color as you like. Now you can manage like this. You can remember, I will recommend you, when you create any visiting card, you always maintain align and delete. Now you can manage the object color. And guys, you can maintain align always. So you can maintain the text, click right side and press right key on the keyboard. You can maintain the color as you like and click the object. You can change the color. Now the ready this object. Thanks guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment in this channel. Bye bye.